How to find out who owns a VoIP number. Do you know what a VoIP number is? VoIP is short for Voice over Internet Protocol. Being able to find out if a phone number is a landline, mobile, or VoIP is extremely helpful for your business. Unfortunately, VoIP phone numbers are easy to spoof and are often used by scammers and spammers. Conducting a free VoIP lookup on your own can be challenging, and it might take a little effort and some useful tools. Here's the lowdown on how to find out who owns a VoIP phone number. Can you trace a VoIP number? VoIP numbers have two identifiers, caller ID and the CNAM. Caller ID is the number you see on your phone when a call comes in, and it's very easy to fake, at least for now. CNAM, however, is very difficult to tamper with, so many spoofers don't even bother with trying to alter it. Also, there are CNAM registries and databases available for professional queries. This makes tracing a CNAM a feasible option if you have the time, tech skills, and energy for it. There are a few ways to get CNAM and carrier information for a VoIP number. The easiest method is to do a reverse phone lookup. A reverse phone lookup tool is hands down the easiest and fastest way to find a phone number's owner if it's a VoIP number. All you have to do is pop the number into the search box, and the reverse phone lookup tool will do the rest. If it's a legitimate VoIP number, not a free VoIP number, you should get a name and address most of the time. And the best part is, it only costs $1 or $2 per search. You can even check on a list of numbers or your complete database all at once with a bulk reverse phone append. Please click on the link on the description below to see how to do that. If you happen to have your own VoIP number, you might be able to use the service lookup CNAM. If you suspect a fake ID number, you may need to provide the CNAM or IP address of the suspect number you want to look up to your own VoIP provider. In order to do this, you could use a CNAM lookup tool, or if you have some coding skills, do your own CNAM query. Installing a packet analyzer to collect data about incoming calls could be an option if you use a phone app for making and receiving VoIP calls. Enabling the SIP filter on the packet analyzer will allow you to see the IP address and CNAM information in the from field of the initiation packet. The downside of this method is it will only work with the calls you receive and requires a lot of upfront effort. You could also use an IP address lookup tool if you have this information, and will provide you with a location, internet service provider, and domain name. This data could be useful, and with some detective work, you could even find out who owns the number. If you've tried to look up a VoIP number on your own and found little success, or if your time is worth more than a few bucks, it might be time to check with the professionals. Try the Searchbug.com reverse phone lookup tool, or upload a whole list with the Searchbug.com batch append service today. It's the fastest and easiest way to find out who owns a VoIP number. Click on the link in the description below to discover what else Searchbug can do for you and your business. Don't forget to subscribe and share if you find this video useful. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Searchbug. Names, numbers, now.